Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take database backup of Azure SQL Database on your local machine and restore it. So let's get started. I have created a test Azure SQL Database and I'm trying to connect it from my local SSMS. As you can see, I'm getting an error. So how did I solve this error? By creating a firewall rule in Azure portal, and I have added my local machine IP. So here, now let's try login again. It will try to sign into your Azure portal using the credentials. So I signed in using my Microsoft Azure portal credentials and I am successfully connected to the database now. Now I am going to take a backup of Azure Test SQL Database. So for that, you need to right click, go to task and click on export data tier application. Now click on next and here enter your backup path. Okay. Now click on next and finish. Now this will take some time. So it is finished. Now I'm going to restore the database. For that, right click on databases and click on import data tier application. Okay, here click on next and browse for the backup file. Here I'll select my backup file, Test Azure SQL backpack. Click on it and click next. Here I'm going to restore this backup as a new database. So I'm renaming the database as test1. So click on next and finish. So it is finished now. You can see in SSMS the database is restored as Azure SQL test1. Okay. We can also see it in Azure portal. Go to the SQL server and under databases you will see both the databases. Here you can see Azure SQL and Azure SQL test1. Okay. So this is how you can take a Azure SQL database backup on your local machine and restore it on Azure SQL. Now make sure to delete your resource group from your subscription to avoid bills. Thank you for watching.